First thing to do, I'm marking the position of the wall, and for that I'm using my laser. And the reason why the distance between the studs is different from this side is that I thought these construction boards are 600 millimeters, so the whole board is from here to here. So I read the installation guide, and it said the spacing should be 300, which is like 600, and 300 is in the middle. But today I discovered that the shop where I buy them, they have it wider. So it's 1200 millimeters, 1.2 meters, and it discovers the distance from here to here. So actually I need to have the distance 400 millimeters, like over here. So yeah, I'm going to leave this like it is, so I lose one metal stud, but I don't mind if it's a bit stronger, the structure I mean, and yeah, these things happen. So now I'm going to install the other wall where I need to make a door opening as well. So first I'm going to mark the layout. So one line is over here, so I want it to be parallel with that wall over here. The same distance is here, and now I will take my laser. I use it a lot, especially when you work alone. It really makes the life easier. So I will position it to the mark over there and here as well. So now I can mark the ceiling as well. If I turn the light away, I can see the laser line a bit better. So yeah, it's quite easy to make. Actually, I first installed the top one, then this bottom profile, which you can see here, then the main posts, and then here I just took this this profile. I did some cutting, and yeah, I just added it with some thin screws, or yeah, I don't know exactly how you call them in English. And yeah, then I added posts. This one here on the other side, I added so I can install the full board. I'm going to install these construction boards vertically, but you could probably install them horizontally as well. In here, in this bathroom, it's really crucial to have the framing like working as one, meaning you tie all the corners together. So when there is some movement, the whole structure will act as a whole. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So if you have your hydro isolation, or yeah, you make your bathroom waterproof, you don't want to have cracks in the corners. And that's the thing I did here. As you can see here, I used this corner profile. It's like L-shape profile, really thin. And that's how I tied this wall and that wall together. So later when I will install construction boards, the screws will go through this side and that side, and the corners will act together. And I did the same in every corner. And yeah, just to make your life a bit easier when installing the doors, I added some wood material on both sides. So in this apartment, I'm using both steel structure or steel framing that you see behind me, and also I did some wood framing. Yeah, it's actually, it depends on your preferences. I prefer to use steel framing in the bathrooms or yeah, wet areas.